Brand or sorry. Honey, baby. Don't know my was asking. Me my reagan, my men for them. My your favorite. Atadwe.
Daina. Niema how. Niema hapa. Sabi ye nyina ho kire ntini ya ba be pie fie ha. Se nyame be ya adom ne ye nya bi. Ne ye di bia ma ne fie. Ama fie fo so hu say yes abrabo nya ye bo no. Ye mbo akohwebra. Nani 2 days. The real master CDD matenke ka mani no Daina. Sabi a ho kire na mama ba say you. Enya ho kire a ne wo ban kurom no pa be investment ameya. Oba ni ngina kashu kwa be 45 acres ni ngina no ne me da. Obeko wachi. Ti Daina me de ma decide say me person free ha.
Atadwe.
Kwa man free ha ya niema aye kon wa hwe ada krope e be mem, da e be mem no so wa hwe mema boss showdown. Me so me person me make any showdown attempt bia wo fi ha.
Ata nya abotre. Na nya wonko awo me oba berwa. Sa na 2 days ya okay the same thing. Me so the free store no ba ho no. Duma o didi me sro no Atadwe. O se the breakfast nya ready. Be hwe na yire na patch o se okomacho. O se sisi. Enti Atadwe the American nyansa me srew. Wa woni twia. Ye nani ye Kumasi e ba ye buso ni bia ni ma me bi ne papa bia nia. Enti kakra na nyina emfanya yitse be benye skade akwa ekrum. Atadwe me srew. Enkasa okokwa mani nka.
Asem how aya ndi ya odi awre ho wo musa don't know the reason why ntia.
E de adwuma bo na padwuma pa. Ti kakra na me be ye.
Daina de waka ma ate se bi o sister panyini. Mbeto wo fi aso. Ti metri wo futuo. Cause we ase de ye de jimi panyini che. To de se na wo si kan ma ate. Why? To de ko ma fabre medi.
Obedi.
Ado ya de.
Ti mo nyum kakra. Beko.
Beba. Beko. Beba. Soro ko to boy. Abade fo. Bengra gedin bofi. Abade fo. Abade ne koko. Beko ne beba ne swe. Solo korobo. Ibe fi bo. Bengra gedin bofi. Asala la katara me dem bi.
Ana nwanwa.
Ti wo ho me twa wa.
Kuma, so the business ni cost I mean like
nothing more. I can see because what's a purpose here Debia? Kuma like joke and say sister, customers ni bupa say. I don't even call them no more. Say papa.
You understand? You understand. And I made any so a cotton and cause I would the ball mana.
Yeah, or Junso be breaking can it
be me or the pants one no chrome with the shiny view. Oh wow, sister.
What's wishy business, new business?
And I'm going high.
And I love that. I'm so happy for you.
Sister.
But first, we are being mercy can do. It's true. Baby, I teach you one year son. No, on only 20K in the fabric, maybe 10 a day with me.
You know me? Why are you serious?
Oh no, I'm serious.
If I tell you, if I catch you, no for 20 minutes on coming.
Na so him so no what's in your boss or better no better. And my name is Danny issue.
Maybe I said them search your day.
Oh, no, don't say that. They searching your day.
You know, one Abena Brabum cried and come out so bad. In Confion now be a so bad.
And yeah, no man. Which was a noise. No, they searching your day are strict. Mama, men come on money home.
Are they?
Mene Daina ekuju.
Abrewan, grandma.
Grandma. Sister. Obi apake machi. Na nipa ni metu ne ka. Na mintu me ka.
Ono beku.
Obi na no se na yere ne me.
What?
I'm being honest.
Na yere no.
Asa grass ampa. Na guy ne aye serious afede. It was so embarrassing.
Ekuma, ade
na me de ka wa kire ne say hwe sama warriors na
ade wa boda man e probably be no new dia agro kuma na obi you that won say ring show
odo
no e be no new dia agro e simple ekuma sa boys na o ma ban sa o
no
omu wa no mu
enya agudi o e na de me ya ne say onye obi kura me ni mu na nka maka say bia me childhood friend bi e na me ne wo sa agro
are you serious?
Girlfriend is more than serious.
And no who no say na yere no without no reason
me say I'm for somebody. Man, he said young guy be and yes be a one or sabodani.
Okay,
he's owning his own car. On na packing machi. On betu ne car na kofa sa issue when you buy you. Well dressed, well good. There is nothing wrong with him.
And you told him you married?
I told him. and he was still embarrassing me.
Now catch you crazy.
Me bedroom yana. O bedroom fi na mbona mania. And no catch me say oh men forget na say we dey ehun ya. Etu onu mpo na chiche me because I don't get it.
In the same way, how you fan of simple, but it's serious. Because how can you see someone I can say, me you know, without no reason?
You don't even know me. I don't know you.
Wow.
Me who are
maybe I don't know Didi Kuma because boys know my band. That's how they act too.
Act.
No, like only in effect. So I also can be a customer power down for no. I know I am hearing. Maybe I go no Didi Kuma. Don't take it serious.
I wish you were there.
People
were looking at me. It was so embarrassing.
Was he high or something?
I don't even know.
Well, Kuma probably maybe I know dear bro. Like I said, Kuma we find it serious, yeah. I find it serious, but we are going to know what Kuma let me put my medjani ni na biani yo.
Young kitchen.
My medjani ni Kuma na me my issue. Me na mo medjani. So me fa made. Me fa made into my issue. I Kuma my issue.
Fine. Why are you here?
Yeah, I'm here for us to talk.
Did I do anything wrong?
No, nothing.
Then what? What?
Abena, same way no nanka betimi I phone so common. But it's very important to me, you know, I have to come to meet you in person and talking about this issue. I'm not growing younger, that's what I say. And I know my family people are expecting certain things from me. Nyako points from me, what don't me, dinsika, a din fame, whatever. But I can't be back up.
What is that?
I can't eba. And you and I know how far I see it and Abba, that's what I say. And you know, I can be the offer be better and be 21 daruma. And I promise you, say, oh, accept the offer we are. Niopo we are Sibiano, I will just do for you. I just want you to give me a baby, a child. And I'm gonna give you $10,000. Say, oh, accept it right now, remember $5,000 for accepting this. Baby, I'm just really ready just to do it for you, trust me. Because I me call Fanage home, now me call donation in your ma. I told her, and me crano idiareho. Please, please, please.
Okay, so this is very tough for me. I have just 2 questions for you. Have you discussed this with your wife?
No.
Secondly, you know, say Map is going to discover Madam to give you a child.
No.
I know we've come a long way, but you know, what worry? And Penana Mine Woche.
I know.
We can't have baby.
No, please, dear. I saw what Tima said. That's what I said. Until Japadi winning your mommy win nano. Nami nimenting daddy. I want you to get me this. Nami bear my name again.
Okay, so you have a wife, she can do that.
Listen. Forget about my wife, Semno. Do you know how many times I'm in a try about this? And nothing has happened.
So the fault is from who?
No. We don't know. Him in a check up Dr. Honum there. I don't know. Listen. Please do me this favor. I really need this.
This is not favor. We're here a tough time,
It's not about tough time.
I'm not ready to have
$20,000.
Forget about the money. I'm just not ready.
No, don't tell me you're not ready. I mean, hey, there are so many girls outside there that meet me and found my wife, but I know because of me, they are building a secret via Ember Bunting. That's why I say I have to come to you. So please, just look at me. Just look at me.
I'm looking at you, but
I'm not having a child. It's not about me, no, my decision. I'm not having a baby. I'm not having a child. But please, just look at me.
No, I can't say because giving birth is the biggest step in our body. What I say, and I'm not ready for that. And I can't give you 100% assurance. No. I'm going to give you the baby, but I'm going to think about it.
No, please.
I'm going to think
you know how much I love you. So don't tell me you're going to think about it. Anytime you do ask me for something, I don't say, babes, I'm going to think about it. So why this?
Birth is different from all.
I know, please.
Birth is different.
Just do this for me. So the UK, US crowd, I'm awful. So and I'm the audio. I promise you, I'll do my possible best just to do for you.
If your wife finds out,
she will never. How many years have we dated?
No,
listen.
This is a situation at Babybem, so definitely.
I'm a smart man and I know what I got to do if you like.
So you're telling me you know how to play your cards? Alright, I'll think about it, but I'm fine sure it's you recently.
Me patrona, me wife. Me.
Na brante wade. Who said that we who go awale? Me madam say last we share the same thing away. Me madam say me say wo kunu.
Me me wife. Your ba me neneti. And bema me your ba ti so de me timi hwe so oba ne nkodi baby for so she's my wife. Mr. What do you mean? Me patro de yenko na ene me wife nko kasa ma wife Mr. Say baby oten emwa no. Me ne be ma so no metri nti onko sesa ne
no. Mama kancho. Me madam no me no matna so many years. We marriage batilia.
Madam, she's my wife. You be wife, madam.
Bra, who you normal?
Me patro Mr. Madam. O de yenko ka say baby oten no. Baby oten no Mr. Ko ka say baby oten emwa no to de on sesa ne nyoma.
Now what we do be here no one dey kwa wife.
No, it say my wife ni na menye. She say my wife no. Me more than madam.
Me for us wife.
Me yenko na ni ko kasa ma Mr.
Right, adai. Ente say we go mani maso ojomu abe so chese.
Me go ni maso kwa mbe.
Wa wale o say ka wa dey kwa wo hire.
Madam, on tia say me wife madam. See, oya me wife me patcho ma me ene me wife abedi o mu fie o me wife no na we yi.
Embarrassment no.
Me patcho me sro. Esa me de dam obia me.
For
me my wife, I need my wife. Me wife. No.
Hey.
Madam, me patcho team me sro madam. Me any op man nko kata se baby otene M1 no. Me ne be me wo so na me tira me sro me patcho.
Ti de wo ye wo jomu anti efe.
Me fa woni obi.
Oba wale fo se kawa.
Obi ohemi de so obi ati.
Oni ni kru na to ka se wo yire no.
Obi ohemi de so ni kru na yire.
Wo gu awale.
Madam me patcho.
Wo nya normal.
Madam me wife.
Esi. Intimacy.
Intimacy.
I swear to God.
Intimacy na was switch from when you say.
Listen, sometimes I do wonder. Nam say beside me, I say, why am I blessed? I say, na you know, so na ye mbe ma be 100 na correlation.
Raise
but it me up on call me. Look at me.
Honey, I say leave me alone. But like joke. Daina chill.
I don't know.
Then I hano.
Me go for some juice been bro.
Sorry.
You panning with jeans. I don't know what you say.
Madam, my sister said, "The other turn on him." Me kwa no is too no intimate na
Daina, rules and regulations. Speak English.
When I go there, the madam is not around. The one who is selling the sister.
She's not around.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay. Okay.
So you were waiting for her. All right. I beg, get me something to eat, okay?
Madam, Abena da me sia no na.
Yes, talk.
Abena da me sia the fair black guy.
That guy.
The sia no. I was na ire no.
Oh God.
My session embarrassment why you say mo market
what you say?
Embarrassment. Why you market when you pay someone say where's my wife? Where's my wife? And I'm saying the wife you are talking is the material. The whole material. Obi
You see? I told you.
Again?
Me say na some kutu market wo. Onna mama chakra no. Me pe say what person who baby awo.
So, what did you do, Daina?
I told him that it's a material home.
It's a material home.
Hey, the madam is a material home. Material home. The cat is madam a wallet.
That's the English material home.
That's the oh. So
the embarrassment, many people, plenty people is around there.
I told you.
Madam Nene blow.
You see, he's not playing. I was telling my husband the other day what he did.
yeah.
And now look at what he's doing again. It's what me also.
When I wake up, she follow me. When I wake up, she follow me.
Oh my God.
Because this thing sounds ridiculous.
You like seriously?
Because I don't get it. My wife told me, and I told my wife that she got to just blush it off. Yeah. So you don't worry. We'll find ways and means just to do what we got to do.
Because it's embarrassment.
So the next time you go to town, when she's trying to do that to you, try to report him to a police. You feel it?
No.
Why?
It's not my duty.
It's not your duty. He can harm you. So why are you telling me it's not your duty?
Hammer me. It's not my duty.
Hammer you.
Hammer. Do you understand what he's saying?
What's he saying?
Yes.
He can harm you. It's not
so
hammer.
You got to rush to the nearest police station just to tell them somebody is just talking, somebody is just embarrassing you, or somebody is just harassing you.
She doesn't understand anything.
That's a dorsal.
Miss say, you just explain it.
Or say, yes, sir, be no, yes, sir. Police station be a ben or catch almost say, or be episode go any mass.
Or tata.
Now say, no,
she said, your madam
is this she or he, you, she, he, she or he.
It's okay.
I mean, she or he.
She.
Is he?
Is she or he?
She.
Is he?
Daina, but Daina is saying she, you are saying he.
It's a boy. Daina, Bema he, or ba she.
So she, he.
She.
He, she.
Oh.
She, he.
She.
He.
She.
Hey, go and get me something to eat. Go.
Daina, go.
Madam,
Hey, get me something to drink.
It's unnecessary. The way to embarrassment in the market.
Lord have mercy.
This thing is getting out of hand. I wasn't there today, so that means if I was there today,
Definitely the same thing would have happened, yeah?
so can it be you even went there purposely for me, thinking I may come to the market, right? Oh no, that means stepping out is not even safe.
No, it's safe, don't worry. Nobody can come out.